Hello and welcome to GraphQL Projects by Maxim Filimonov. A bit about myself. I'm a co-founder of Reify Academy, where we teach entrepreneurs how to build tech businesses without prior knowledge of tech. I have a Master of Computer Science from a Bauman Moscow State University. I have led technical platform development of several startups, including things like Airservice and Play to lead prominent Australian startups. I have about 10 years of industry experience, and if you want to follow my journey, you can find me on Medium or on Twitter. Let's look at the course. In this course, in the first section, we're going to learn how to build a job board application using React and Apollo Client. This is going to be the introduction to how to use Apollo Client with your React, and we're going to learn about mutations and queries. In the second section, we're going to be adding a legacy REST API to our application. In the first section, we're going to learn about building a new application. It's going to be a chat application where we're going to see the problems which comes when we don't use user authentication. So we're going to add user authentication later in that section and see how to do it on both frontend and the backend. In section 4, you will learn how to build a fleet tracking application with real-time data updates using Apollo subscriptions. In section 5, we will look at optimizing the usage of the cache when we use Apollo, so we don't need to requery things and we can build effective and performant applications. What this course will teach you. First, on the front end, we're going to be using Apollo GraphQL and React hooks. As you know, React hooks is quite recent development, so you're getting bleeding edge of React learning. And we're going to connect all of this using GraphQL to Hasura, a system that you can use on any cloud, which allows you to use Postgres and create a real-time backend on top of the Postgres with a minimal amount of setup. Prerequisites for this course: HTML and CSS. We assume basic knowledge of those, and we assume that you know React, as this course is for experienced React developers. I'm looking forward to your feedback on this course, and let's get started.